The information in the video shows an incident in Turkey.
Demir Köprü, Levent Mıstıkoğlu'nun çiftliğinin olduğu yer. Bakın bu araç burada test yapmış.
A devastating earthquake measuring magnitude of 7.7 struck Turkey, causing over 32,600 buildings to collapse and leaving 105,500 people injured.
Şu an bina çöktü ve içinde insanlar var.
The earthquake occurring on February 6, 2023 marked the worst seismic event in the country's recent history.
Allahu Ekber. Allahu Ekber ve lillahil hamd. Hadi bu ne? Hadi bu ne ya Rabbi?
Rescue efforts were underway as emergency services worked to rid those trapped under debris and provide medical aid to the injured.
Acayip bir şekilde sarsılmasıyla deprem olduğunu anladık. Geri döndük, tekrardan yıkılan yerler var.
The government declared a state of emergency in affected regions, mobilizing resources for rescue and recovery operations. International aid efforts were indicated to assist Turkey in coping with the aftermath of this catastrophic earthquake.
Arkadaşımın olduğu bina çöktü.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.
İş Bankası gitmiş. Abo, çarşı.